do bubbles. I don't think this one can do a big bubble. Let me try. Okay guys, here's the bubble. Popping. Popping what? Oh. Next is clicks. Okay. Next is going to be swirls. I don't know if this slime is really runny, but it's good. Oh, it's so pretty. You guys are wondering what the beads are? Diamonds inside. Next is crunches. But I didn't do Instagram as well, so I'm gonna have to do this. If you want me to make what's it called, jiggly slime, tell me in the comments down below. Okay? Okay. So next, I think gonna be something more bubbles. I like the bubbles. Oh wow. Ooh. I'm gonna add some more beads. And my coloring. Oh, I might do something else today. Either one. Okay, I love singing, but right now I'm videotaping. So I like this one. That's what I forgot. Stretch. Because you don't know if it's stretchy. Oh gosh. And I think it's that stretchy. Good thing it's not sticky. If it's sticky, my friends wouldn't have it. No one knows I have a YouTube channel, but it's in my account. Taylor Pasquale. I have to make a lot of videos. Well, that's it, because it's almost time to go. So don't forget to comment below, hit the notification bell, and hit the subscribe button to get so many, because I just started this, and